Cool.
Oh my god! Teo's here with the camera. Look, I've got pants on. I went to put some pants on everybody so everyone can relax. I've got some pants. Alright, so Teo, I'm here with Teo, Kai, Tabitha. Today we're doing a video here of the Suzuki DR 650. It's a 1998 model with 14,000 kilometers. So I'm pretty pumped up, as you can see. This is my first time in the dirt with it. I've had it for so long. I can't believe I waited so long for this. So I'm going to take it to the track, do some hot laps, and here we're going to load it up. I might need a hat for this adventure. Oh God! Pretty heavy. I think these are about 155 kilograms. This one's been fitted out, so it's a little heavier. But this is basically, it's my Dakar Desert Racer. This is it here right now. With the star, everyone needs a star in their bike. Alright, shall we get it up? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we can get up that ramp. Ready? Yep. 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Jesus! Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh. That's a bit of a pig, but we've got it up here. Wow, that's heavy. Alright guys, now we'll go off and get some diesel from the very expensive fuel stations.
Okay.
Oh God. Now we're at the petrol station, guys, getting some fuel for this big truck here. And I can't believe the price of this stuff. It's just totally outrageous. It really is. It's out of control. A friend of mine, Carl, was up in Fraser Island last week on holidays. He was paying $3.40 a litre for diesel. So when does this stop? It's a bit much. Anyway, that's my pitch for the day. So I'll put diesel on this. Diesel. I've got the right one. Let's just start. Okay. All right. So put diesel in this bad boy, and it's definitely coffee time. It's time for a double shot espresso. So here we go for some coffee next.
Okay.
Okay. Hi everyone. Now we're here having a coffee. It's coffee time. So I'm feeling like it's like double shot espresso. So let's get in here and get this coffee done, and then we'll go to the next stage with this video. We'll go to the track and get some laps with the Suzuki DR 650. Let's go. Coffee time. That is heaps of fun. Oh, Christ. Guys, that is heaps of fun. I tell you what, Jesus. That's my single shot espresso. Actually, no. Double shot espresso. That's been fantastic. What a hit. Getting out in the dirt for a change really revs me up. I mean, we're here with nature. You know, we're here with a clear sky today. It's a beautiful sun. And it really just revs me up. This is fantastic. And most of my videos are done back at the shop. But here, I can get out in the dirt with this and put it into 6th gear. It's fantastic. Anyway, this is what it is. This is my Dakar Desert Racer. A Suzuki DR 650. Come on down, guys. It's okay. 1998 model, 14,000 kilometres on the clock. Tell you, if I can get you to come over here and show these guys here, the viewers, the compliance plate. It's in through here. That's the compliance plate there. It's a little bit of surface rust in the frame, but that's totally to be expected for a bike that's about 25 years old. So that's the compliance plate. Now the odometer as well. Let's show here the viewers, my many YouTube fanners, the kilometres on there, and just so I can just cover that so I don't get any glare. So you can see that 14,000 on that clock. Okay, great, we've got that in there, 14,000. It has the original seat cover, sticker kit, graphics, like they're all in good shape. I mean, this bike never been dropped either. It's been sitting for 8 years, to be honest with you. So that's why the kilometres are also so low. The bash plate down here, like it's not even got a scratch on it. It is in superb order, this whole bike. I don't think it's been off-road until today. I think it's probably its first time. Everything works, the blinkers work, horn, headlight, the whole lot. It's ready for a blue slip. So if you want to go out adventuring, you certainly can. My circumstances have changed, that's why this is coming up for sale. And I'm going to put it onto eBay. So best of luck to the bidding. This is it. So hope you've had fun with me getting out in the dirt for a change. I know that's a bit of a novelty being out here, but it really is awesome. Oh, Teo, over here. It's even got here, it's got some original tools. And the sock is included with the sale, no extra charge. It's even got tools back here. It's like, what the hell, this is amazing. Here are some of the Suzuki tools, which I find amazing to consider this bike so old, but here it is with its original tools as well. So it's got Supermoto desert tyres on this. It's ready to go, so all you have to do is go and register the thing and have some fun. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves, and thanks for viewing again my awesome YouTube videos. Until next time, take care.
Good.
So what are you going to do? What are you doing with me?
Eat that.
You want me to eat these? What's going on here? Is that a challenge?
Yep.
What? You want me to eat these a whole lot?
Yes.
In one hit? Jesus, okay.
Tell all the viewers what they taste like.
Oh, yuck. That's foul. You guys are playing a joke on me, aren't you? This is bush tucker, is it?
Yep.
Oh, that's disgusting.
All right.
You can't-
2, 1.
So, what are these called up here?
So, the very scientific name for them is vitamin C warhead tree.
Warhead.
Warhead tree is what we call them. Yeah.
Like
I don't know
bush-
what the scientific name is, but
It's like bush tucker?
yeah, lots of vitamin C.
Oh, these are nasty.
So sour.
Oh, yuck. That's disgusting. That's bad business. Nasty business. But I'll still go back for more. Yuck. Thanks, guys.